What is the angle between the lines formed by connecting the points 0, 0 to 2, 3 and 2, -2 and 3, 5? So we're going to consider a point A and we're going to name its coordinates as 0, 0. We have another point B with the coordinates 2, 3. We'll be joining point A and point B. Then we have another point, let's call it C, with the coordinates 2, -2 and point D with the coordinates 3, 5. We're going to join point D and point C as well. Now clearly we observe that the two lines are going to form an angle between them. So our goal will be to obtain the angle, either this particular theta or it could be theta prime. Fine. So here we know that to find out the angle between two lines, we use the formula theta equals to tangent inverse of the absolute value of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 times m2. Now, here what we'll need m1 and m2. m1 represents the slope of any one of the line, m2 will be slope of the other line. So let us begin by first finding slope of the line AB. So we're going to represent the slope by the letter m1. So in the numerator, we'll need the difference of the y coordinates. So that's going to be 3 minus 0. And in the denominator, we need the difference of the x coordinates. So that will be 2 minus 0. And this is going to give us 3 over 2. Similarly, we can find out the slope of the line CT. We're going to represent it by m2. That will be equals to. So we need difference of the y coordinate in the numerator. So let's begin with D. And from here, we'll subtract C. So we'll do 5 minus -2 divided by 3 minus 2. So 5 minus -2, that's going to be 7. 3 minus 2, that's going to be 1. So this is equals to 7. So now we can use the formula. So theta is going to be the inverse tangent function of the absolute value of m1. So m1 is going to be 3 over 2 minus 7 divided by 1 plus 3 over 2 times 7. Right. So let's further simplify this. We're going to get tangent inverse of. So what we'll do, we'll multiply both numerator and the denominator with 2. So that gives us 3 minus 14 divided by 1 plus the 21. That will be equals to tangent inverse of the absolute value of -11 over 20. This is going to be 2. It's 2 plus 21, so it's going to be 23. And since absolute value makes everything positive, so we have tangent inverse of 11 over 23, which means that option D is going to be the correct value.